Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, June 8th, 2021. Well, it is a humid morning out there, and we know that because what we look at is precipitable water values, aside from relative humidity and dew points, which are in the 70s. All of these factors tell us it is tropical out, and you can also see plenty of low clouds and some fog, reducing visibility to around 3 miles, 1 mile along island. And temperatures generally range from the upper 60s to mid 70s throughout the region with all these low clouds and fog. Now, we don't have precipitation yet, but trouble is brewing for this afternoon that's going to support the potential for some strong, maybe even an isolated severe thunderstorm. I think the primary concern here will be the heavy downpours. Taking a look at our winds, you can clearly see the winds coming out, that our air masses coming out of the coastal waters around Georgia and Florida, heading right up through North Carolina and Virginia, right into our neck of the woods. So a nice tropical, warm air mass is in place. Won't last long, though, and actually the air mass moving forward for the end of the week is going to be more from the northwestern Atlantic than the southern. So certainly some much cooler weather is on the way. We'll get to that in a moment. On our surface map, Bermuda High off to our east, pumping in that warm, humid air, and we have this cold front and this one back here that are going to be making some trouble for us over the next 48 to 66 hours, producing showers, thunderstorms, and just overall rough period of weather, especially if you're going to be traveling. So on the radar right now, it's pretty quiet, right? Take a look at our visible satellite picture. You can see a mix of low and mid-level clouds as all that moisture is streaming into the region. But look off to our west. Looks like trouble is brewing, and we can see that very clearly here on our infrared satellite picture. This first shortwave will move through this afternoon, evening, producing showers and thunderstorms. And again, with all the moisture in the atmosphere, these thunderstorms are going to be capable of very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. So definitely use some caution. And the other factor, too, is that these thunderstorms are going to be moving slow. So there's going to be the potential there for also some urban flooding and flash flooding. Then this upper level low is going to be diving down towards basically the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley, right around West Virginia. And then we have this cold front back here that is going to be dropping south through our region as well. And these two are going to eventually interact as we move on through the rest of the week. So a lot of activity going on here that's going to set up a much cooler weather pattern as we head into our weekend. So for today, watch out for some showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Temperatures will range quite a bit from the mid-70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast, upper 70s to mid-80s over the interior, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow morning, watch out for some locally dense fog again, some scattered to broken cloud cover, low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. For tomorrow afternoon, widespread showers and thunderstorms again, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s. On Thursday, this is where things start to get a bit cooler. We have this backdoor cold front that's going to be dropping southward. Now we have this high pressure system here, and we have this frontal boundary here, and there's that upper level low I was talking about, just kind of hanging around the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys. These two are all going to interact, and what it's going to lead to is a northeasterly to easterly wind right into the region with an air mass coming right from around the Canadian Maritimes, shuttling right in. So this type of air mass, what it does is that it sets up pretty much scattered to broken cloud cover around Connecticut, maybe eastern Long Island. But then as you move further to the west, you get more cloud cover and a better chance for showers until you end up with scattered showers towards central Pennsylvania. That's essentially the weather pattern. Now on Thursday, with this weather pattern building in, temperatures will range from the mid-60s to lower 70s for lows and upper 70s to mid-80s for highs. On Friday, that air mass is completely locked in, and the same pattern will be in place for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And essentially what you'll get is these waves of low pressure to the south of the frontal boundary, passing to the south, keeping the threat for showers in the forecast each day. Otherwise, a mix of sun and clouds, fog in the morning, and an easterly wind that just will continue through the entire period. And what that will lead to, well, unfortunately, that's going to lead to Low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, mid to upper 60s away from the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to mid 70s along the immediate coast and lower to mid 70s over the interior. Delaware River Valley, mid 70s, possibly a few lower 80s if you get a little bit more sunshine. And that is essentially going to be the weather pattern as we move forward over the next several days. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino, and as always, stay safe out there.